High-powered sports and luxury cars were everywhere at the New York Auto Show, prompting the obvious question for enthusiasts: how long will this golden age of performance last? Industry leaders have some time before regulations elevate the corporate average fuel economy level in 2025. Even then, they expect cars rippling with power to survive in some form. Is it the end of an era? I don't think so, said Ola Kalenius, Daimler AG board member for Mercedes-Benz Cars Marketing and Sales. That performance element of individual mobility I don't think will ever go away. Kalenius, who oversaw the company's AIM division from 2010 to 2013, expects it to continue to grow. Last year, AIM sold a record 68,875 units around the world, an increase of 44.6% over 2014, with strong growth in the US, China, and Germany. Still, there's always the potential for gas to spike, and pending fuel economy regulations are looming. That could lead AIM to add electrification to its products, Kalenius said, pointing to the electric SLS as a test case. Chevy is also thinking ahead, said Al Oppenheiser, chief engineer of the Camaro. He wouldn't bite when asked about electrification for the Camaro. He did say never, but admitted in 2025 it's going to be pretty tough to sell V8s. For now, things are rosy for muscle cars, and Chevy confidently showcased the 640 horsepower Camaro ZL1 in coupe and convertible form in New York. I think that this is truly the golden age of performance, Oppenheiser said. It's hard to disagree.